What's going on, everyone? Got a 2014 Scion Tc. We're going to check the cabin filter today. What we're going to need to do first is remove the glove box door. It's really simple. Just open it up, and we're actually going to take it and just pull it off the bottom hinge. Okay. Once we do that, it will just come right down. Now there's this panel here that we're going to pop right off. Okay, you can tell that someone's already been in here. This car's a little old, it's got some miles, and so all this stuff should be pretty nice and loose because someone's probably opened it up before. Cabin filter is right in this compartment here. Okay, so we push this tab in, and then we can release the door. If you notice that when we put this back, this left side is going to go in first, then we'll click it down like that. Okay, then we can just pull the filter out. Check this out, and this one is brand new. Okay, so all right, so this one's brand new. We're not going to replace it. If you need one, check down the description box. There's going to be a part number down there and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get a new filter. Okay, not even too sure if that's the right one, but this one's going back in. Go ahead and put the door back on, and then the glove box door, we're just going to go and set it on its hinges. Okay, then we'll get this panel here, put it on the bottom first. It's just these clips. They're just clips, plastic clips that just snap in. We'll get the glove box door, put it back on its hinges here. All we're gonna do is just push it, okay, and then we close it, and it's good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.